What's up everyone, this is Blake Musa aka The Black Moose, and here we are with another DJ Tech tutorial. In this video we're going to look at how to export playlists onto USB with rekordbox version 6. This guide's for those who want to play music via USB to their CDJs or XDJ all-in-ones. And if you're just starting on rekordbox, I suggest you have a look at my previous video on importing your tracks. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get into it. Grab your USB flash drive or an SD card if your CDJ takes it. The drive will need to be formatted. You can check what format your CDJ accepts by going to its manual. The most common format is FAT32. Before you do this, copy any needed files from your drive to your desktop. If you're using a PC, head to Explorer, right-click your USB drive, then Format. Check that FAT32 is selected under File System. Hit Start and then OK. If you're using a Mac on the other hand, open up Disk Utility, select your USB drive, click Erase, select it to FAT32 and hit Erase. As I record this, Big Sur 11.5.1 has been released, and there are some issues with exporting on a FAT32 drive. If your CDJ supports HFS+, please format to Mac OS Extended in the meantime. And now you're ready to export your tracks. Here's a couple of methods. Right-click a playlist and hit Export Playlist. Click dragging, it does the same thing. The only thing is, if you make changes in that playlist in rekordbox, you'll have to do the same method again to update the drive. The other way is using Sync Manager, which will automatically sync your drive every time you plug it in. This saves you time when you're making changes to your playlists. And here's how you set it up. First, tick Synchronize Playlists with a device. This ensures that this drive will sync every time it's connected to this computer. You can also see the rekordbox column is no longer grayed out. You can now tick whatever playlists you want synced to your drive. And once you've done that, hit the second arrow. You'll also see the process starting on the status bar below. If you have playlists in your iTunes, tick Synchronize iTunes Playlists. Tick the playlists you want, click the first arrow, and you see iTunes in the rekordbox column will be enabled. Then hit the second arrow to sync. And another thing, say you've created more memory and hotkeys in your CDJ and want to upload that back to rekordbox. All you need to do is go back to Sync Manager and hit this arrow, Q Grid Info, and that's it. For more DJ Tech tips, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next one.